We are we are registering quite a high interest and growth in the direct foreign investment in the country. And we see this, the figures that you are quoting are also indicative of the opportunity that we can both make, both for the foreign investors, but also for Bulgarian companies and for the Bulgarian economy to develop in such areas. And what we have done on part of the Ministry of Innovation and Growth is to develop the funding mechanisms in a way to match the vision that we see and the opportunities we see through high-tech, through development of value-added sectors in society, related also to the assets that we have as a country. And what we do is we have, in fact, quite a good talent pool. Bulgaria is one of the countries with the top IT expertise worldwide, recognized as one of the 3 countries leading in this direction. We are also a great space where the automotive industry, and in particular the electric mobility, is really picking up quite a speed, because 90% of the critical components that are being produced worldwide for the electric vehicles are produced in Bulgaria. We are well known also for our AI expertise. We have one of the top leading AI research institutes called Insight, which is working with established international partners like universities, ETH and EPFL in Switzerland, but also across Europe and across the United States. So this, in combination with the good measures that we are provisioning through the new law on investment and the framework for measuring impact for investors, where we're creating a favorable administrative procedures, financial and non-financial measures, as well as putting a focus on innovation as a country, even by the mere fact that we have a Ministry for Innovation and Growth. I think this complex and comprehensive approach to the current environment is going to really be attractive, be considered a good way that we develop and support investors, but also Bulgaria. For example, I think we started with a story with space. I will tell you that there are 2 startups that are breaking grounds and that are exemplary in Bulgaria in that space. There is Endurosat, which is a startup. Now it's already becoming a more established SME, which is producing nanosatellites and sending them to space. We have an incredible cargo drone and company called Dronamics that is disrupting the whole logistics space. We have examples of R&D centers of great companies like Bosch Engineering, for example, which is developing its R&D operations in the automotive sector and electromobility in Bulgaria. There are other companies in IT like SAP that have their labs. There are companies like Infosys, which is the 2nd biggest technological company in India, that opened a new expanded office and 500 new workspaces here in Bulgaria. So sectors like this, like also the biotechnology, we've been talking to a number of pharmaceutical companies and other players who are interested in developing R&D centers and experimental sites here in the country in collaboration with the scientific institutes and also with the universities. These are very good examples, and these are exactly the examples matching the sectors that we are featuring in our Smart Specialization and Competitiveness program. Last but not least, I would like to point a new opportunity. I think culture and creative industries could be this one exciting surprise where we see a lot of potential, and where we have also put it as one of the sectors where we will make investment. Bulgaria is quite well known for producing good companies in that sector. We are one of the countries that is a winner and has a technological Oscar that was won by a company here that's behind the animation software of a lot of the movies that we see. It's Chaos Group that a year ago merged with another company. And we have very good examples also in the gaming industry. So I think we really need to look at the future in a way that is more open-minded and think where our our strengths are, and then combine this with a vision and policy that will empower these strengths to blossom in the development of the economy and also to be a good place to work and live.